See, uh, the statue of Buddha we have here fulfills two prophecy. So one's prophecy dates back to 8th century, and another, it dates back to 20th century. So the prophecy that dates back to 20th century was made by a yogi named Sonam Zangpo, and he prophesied that on the region that now we have the biggest Buddha statue here in Bhutan is, you know, he believed that from that place, it is going to, you know, uh, emanate an aura of peace and happiness to the whole world. So that was the first prophecy, and the other one was written by Guru Rinpoche, which I just said right now as being the second Buddha, or who is also known as Guru Rinpoche, aka Lotus Born. So if you want to learn more about him, I will talk on him in my upcoming live tours. And also, if you want to research on him, you can look into a biography. It's in. So I'll just repeat on that second prophecy. I feel like I am unclear. So back then in 8th century, there was a great man, a tantric man called Guru Padmasambhava, who is also known as Guru Rinpoche, aka the Lotus Born. And he he scripted in a terma. I don't know how to tell it, but it's a kind of prayer book. Dharma is a kind of prayer book, and he mentioned there about the statue we have now, made out of pure bronze, which is then gilded with gold. And the statue we have here is of the present Buddha Shakyamuni. And when we look at that statue, you're not just looking at one Buddha, but 125,000 miniature Buddha, which is, encapsulated inside that bigger statue of Buddha of 51.5 meters in height. And, we have got 100,000 miniature statues of Buddha, which is of 8 inches. And we have got 25,000 Buddhas who measures 12 inches. It's very beautiful. Cypress. The air is pure and it's very refreshing. Talaka Monastery. So I'll just wait for them here. It's a very beautiful day today, but we have got Buddha. Oi! My friend. Thank you so much, Hans. I'm so sorry, Sue. I didn't see any data, mentioning how many monks live here. So this is the steps. I'm tired from now itself. one last effort. Exactly when? The last battle, and I reach to Dordoenma. So this place is Dordoenma, but so we can see a part of Buddha's head from here. You see, it's very much relaxing, and it brings you at peace just by witnessing the statue. So in today's live, I'm going to emanate an aura of peace and happiness to whoever who is watching this live. So hard. So we do get the panoramic view from here. Catherine, this is the view from here.
Ama öyle bir şey, öyle bir aşama. এটা হচ্ছে ভুটান আমি এটা ববেসা এদিকটা ববেসা বলে এদিকটা ববেসা ববেসা ওলাখা বাংলাখা
Yes, Catherine. So tired. Please do enjoy this serene nature we have here. Beauty. It's appearing as black because of the brightness of the sky. Uh, I don't know if it's visible or not, but it's it's dark. I guess it's very much the best time to visit this place is at morning and evening. And today is a very pleasant day because it's not windy and so much obsessed with this clouds we have here. So pretty. And you see this statue we have here, it fulfills two prophecies. Excuse me. What is this? Wait, that's positive. Obviously, wait. Left or Bhutan? Just want to talk on its, it's still dark. Just gonna show you this beautiful statue we have here. Yes, Rachel. So I'll try from other side. Which stands here. It fulfills two prophecy. One which was made in 8th century, and the other which was made in 28th century. It looks very beautiful from here, although it's dark. If anyone wants to take a postcard, this is the moment.